This will be the ballroom elevators at the Hilton America in downtown Houston, Texas. We got the middle one. This is a sexy looking cab. Yeah, so that same person that's been calling me for the past hour and a half is just still bugging me. I don't know why, but here we go. The Schindler 508 traction. The close button works. I'm definitely a fan of that. Whoa, look at these mirrors. 3 sides. Gorgeous looking light fixtures too. Always a must for a hotel like this. I don't get to sing. Come on, ride. Oh, there we go. These are EPCO fixtures, I think. Yeah, these are EPCO. These are like the vendor resistant version of the buttons you be, or used to be finding in these buildings all over downtown pretty much. Little door imperfection, but I dig that texture. Awesome elevators. These things still run like beauty. Watch these things close up, and that'll be it.